Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Park on level ground and set the parking brake before starting work. Confirm you have 0 quarts of 15W40 diesel engine oil and a new spin-on filter rated for the 7L Cummins. Wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and have an oil catch pan sized for 15 quarts to avoid spills. Gather a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, 3/8-inch extension, 36 mm socket for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a new crush washer, and a torque wrench set to remove the 36 mm drain plug and let the oil drain completely into the catch pan. Expect roughly 0 quarts to exit. Replace the crush washer with a new one on the drain plug, then reinstall and torque the plug to factory specification using a torque wrench. While oil drains, remove the old spin-on filter with an oil filter wrench, wipe the mounting face, lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil, install the new filter, hand tighten. Then apply the specified torque to secure it. Refill with 0 quarts of 15W40 diesel oil through the factory fill neck, then check the dipstick level to confirm proper fill. Start the engine and run it idle for 2 to 3 minutes while observing the drain plug and filter area for leaks. Shut off the engine and recheck the dipstick, adding oil if necessary to reach the marked full level. Reset the oil change interval on the dash per the owner menu, record the date and odometer reading, and dispose of used oil and filter at a certified recycler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.